the Karnataka borders, they will help us. So a coordinated effort by all the southern states will definitely improve the situation, especially the youngsters, they are targeted. The school-going students are targeted by this mafia. Not only students, the college-going students, both girls and boys were targeted. And I requested Honorable Chief Minister to speak for the students and the youngsters. He is the most important leader for the youngsters in Tamil Nadu. If he speaks, all of the South. If he speaks, the youngsters will follow. So he assured me that he will speak, and he has already undertaken a marathon started against drugs. So drug is the biggest enemy for the youngsters and the country and the state. So we are together to fight against this menace.
So what sort of steps will be taken?
Yes, central government, the central Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah, has called a meeting of the DGPs on 26th of June. That is Anti-Drugs Day. And he has made a program for that also. And the Chief Minister, Vijay Ji, told me that a coordination committee of the southern states will be there, in which Home Minister will be participating. He will raise all the issues on this. It was already done, 26th of June. It has been done. As per the central government's direction also, we are doing it.
Sir,
Operation Tufan is very successful narco hunt in Kerala. So we sought the help of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister for the successful program, successful fight against the drug mafia in the state.
மொத்தமா பார்க்க போறீங்களா? இப்ப அண்ணாமலை கூட ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டார் போதை அண்ணாமலை ஸ்டார்டட்
the BJP ex-BJP leader Annamalai, he has started a
It's good. Everybody should do this. All parties cutting. Yeah, he is my friend. I am not meeting him, but everybody, all political parties should come forward. This is a menace, and this is against the country. We have to wage a war against drugs. My friend Praveen Chakravarti, he is helping us to meet the Chief Minister and all others. All the other ministers, where the Revenue Minister was there, then PWD Minister was there, Irrigation Minister was there. With his help, we could able to meet everybody, and we could request the leaders, ministers to address this issue. We are very thankful to Vijay Ji for giving us time, and he called all the police officers and secretaries, and there's a fruitful discussion on this. All the DGP and all other police important officials, secretaries were there in the meeting. They were promised that they will be doing a good job to curtail or stop this drug peddling in the state of Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
Sir, ports happens to be the primary spot of the distribution of this drugs. And the
Source is important. You are correct.
Exactly.
Source.
What sort of steps will be initiated for monitoring the ports?
No, ports, airports, and trains, all the important areas where will be surveillanced. Surveillance will be there. We made a plan out of that. I don't want to divulge everything to you. Then it will be helpful for those mafias. So that I cannot tell you that. But we are very serious. All the 5 states are very serious, and we will fight against the menace of drugs. Thank you very much.
Thank you a lot, sir.